Ultimate Travel Companion, MATEIN Expandable Carry-On Backpack. Effortless, versatile, reliable. Embark on your next adventure with the MATEIN Carry-On Backpack, the epitome of convenience and functionality. Its expandable design offers a whopping 40-liter storage capacity, allowing you to pack everything you need for your journey, from clothes to gadgets, with ease. Unzip to reveal extra space for packing cubes, camera gear, and more, ensuring you're always prepared for any trip. Experience unparalleled versatility with the convertible design of this backpack. Easily transform it from a carry-on duffel to a briefcase-style bag, or use the Hideaway padded shoulder straps for a backpack configuration. With its multiple carrying options, including a luggage strap for easy attachment to suitcases, this backpack adapts to your travel needs effortlessly. Designed for comfort and durability, this travel backpack features adjustable shoulder straps and a ventilated back panel to keep you cool and comfortable on the go. Made from water-resistant polyester with lockable zipper heads, it withstands the rigors of travel while keeping your belongings safe from the elements. Stay organized and stress-free with the MATEIN Carry-On Backpack's thoughtfully designed compartments and pockets. From a front organizer pocket for easy access to essentials like your passport and phone, to a roomy main compartment with inner compression straps, this backpack ensures your belongings stay secure and accessible throughout your journey. At MATEIN, we're committed to providing high-quality backpacks at an affordable price, so every traveler can enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the MATEIN Carry-On Backpack is the perfect companion for your next trip. Invest in convenience, versatility, and reliability with MATEIN.